Thank you for visiting once again, my friends. Real Nice Guyana, home of all traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing a recipe for Spanish rice, Guyanese style. So the ingredients we're going to be using, we have some rice there. We're going to be using some sweet peppers, carrots, chicken cubes. You can use whatever cubes you like. We're going to be using some scallions, garlic, celery, pepper, and of course salt to taste. So this is a popular dish in Guyana, guys. It's a side dish actually, Spanish rice, and you can see it everywhere. It goes with your chicken dishes and chow mein and all of that. So we're gonna be making this today, guys, so let's get started. So first we're gonna get our seasonings ready. So everywhere has their own version of Spanish rice, my friends. So you'll always see a slight variation with the ingredients. So don't worry about that. We of course have our own style of cooking Spanish rice. And that's what you're going to see here today. And this goes very, very good with your, as a side dish, as I said. So as in all our recipes, hot peppers are optional, so you don't have to use them. So you got our scallions or celery or onions and the pepper chopped, washed and chopped. So we're getting our garlic ready now. We're going to crush our garlic with our little crusher that we have. Alright, our carrots are ready. As you can see, we have diced them. And our bell pepper. We're gonna use half of this and half of the green one as well. You don't need the whole thing. These peppers are huge. And you're going to use both colors half and half because you want to nice up your dish. You want it to look colorful, right? Alright, so we have cut up everything here. We have our onions, garlic, peppers, celery, scallions. And over here we have our carrots and our red and green bell peppers. So we're going to be using white rice for this recipe, guys. Your Spanish rice is going to taste way better if you use white rice than brown rice, as you may already know. Okay, my friends, so we have heated up some oil in our pan. And now we're going to add our seasoning. We're going to add the onions first. So you're going to fry up your onions for a little bit, 30 seconds or so. So next you're going to add the carrot, because that's the hardest of everything. Let it fry up a little bit too. So now we're going to add the garlic. So once you have all those flavors combined, we're gonna add our rice, our washed rice. So this is gonna season up your rice well and nice. Now we're gonna add some black pepper. Salt. And let everything mixing nicely there. Let all those flavors combine. And that's smelling so good already. Yum. So in this time now your rice is getting well seasoned with all those spices, garlic and everything else. And it's gonna make for one tasty Spanish rice. Alright my friends, so we have fried up our rice here with the vegetables and the seasoning for about 3 minutes. And we have already heated up some water to add to this. So now we're gonna add our the other chopped seasonings. So that's the celery and scallions there. We're gonna add the bell peppers, sweet peppers. So we're gonna add our hot water now. So you're using a rice to water ratio for this recipe, right? Because you want your rice to be loosey when you're done. And all of that is gonna be in the ingredients and measurements list in the description box below the video as usual. So now we're gonna add our cubes. There you go. That's one. These are the tiny cubes, not the big ones. So that's 3 cubes we've added. These are the very tiny ones. Alright, so once we've added that, our water, now we're gonna cover this and let it simmer. So you're gonna put this on a medium to low heat, guys, and let it simmer. You don't want to boil this away, alright? This is a slow cooking process right now. Alright my friends, so it's been about 15 minutes since our rice has been simmering, so we'll check on it and see what's going on. So that's looking good. That's smelling so good too. So you see how nice and loosey the rice is? So you have to use the rice to water ratio. So now you're gonna check to see if your rice is boiled. It should be done, so you're gonna check to see if your rice is boiled. If it's not boiled, well then you can add a little bit more of water to get it to boil. But this, as you can see, this is boiled. So this, our Spanish rice is done. It's ready. And look how yummy that's looking, guys. Dad will love this for Father's Day. So that's it for our Spanish rice, my friends. Of course, we'll taste for salt. And if you want to adjust anything at this time, mix it in. It's still hot, so whatever you mix in will be okay. And but our salt and everything is fine, and this is good. So that's it, guys. That's our Guyanese version of Spanish rice, and very good recipe for Dad this weekend. This weekend is Father's Day, as you know. So maybe you can combine this with something else, and make Dad happier. So if you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click on the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.